Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your playlist on Spotify. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your Spotify application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address or your username and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home screen. Now in the home screen, you will see various recommendations to listen to, or you can simply tap on your library to find your playlists. Just tap on any playlist that you want to share or export and then tap on the three dots alongside the download button. Now you can simply tap on the share button and from there you can export your Spotify playlist to various other applications and share them with your friends. You can also tap on copy link and then this will copy the link to your clipboard and then you can paste the link and send it to your friends to export your playlist to them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your Spotify playlist to your friends on other applications. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.